looks impossible, but it feels real.
Google VEO 3 just dropped, and it's time to find out if it's truly the new king of cinematic text-to-video. Do you know VEO 3?
Oh yes, it's the future. An AI revolution. Real scenes, real people.
You found a secret AI treasure map.
This AI treasure, it's the last thing I'll die for.
Let's begin this challenge.
Recently, Google unveiled its latest video creation platform, VEO, with outstanding demo videos that includes AI sound and lip sync for the first time ever. Now with VEO, you can turn your ideas into cinematic AI videos, and Ingredients feature lets you to add consistent characters and items into your videos. Also, the Edit feature lets you to add more scenes, trim existing ones, and of course, extend your videos. And just before starting this video, please note that now one-click tutorials videos are available in your favorite language audio dubs, and to use this feature, head over to the setting and choose your favorite language audio dub. According to the VEO's website, there are two ways to access this model at this time. The first method is trying it on VEO, Google's new AI video generation platform, and the second way is try it on Gemini. We will cover both methods, but I want to start with Gemini first. So head over to the Gemini's website that you could find in the description below, and please note that you should upgrade your account to Gemini Pro plus using an US VPN to get access to your 3 AI video generations per day using VEO 3 model on Gemini. I want to paste one of my prompt ideas here. Katie is a 20-year-old young blogger with jet black hairs and pink and blue highlights in her blogger studio room. Then I add my dialogue. Google VEO just dropped, and yes, I will show you how to use it for free. Actually, I found a one-click method to convert my ideas to the VEO 3 cinematic text prompts, and to do so, I want to add my trigger word VEO 3 and submit this. And don't worry, because in moments I will share my method so you could have your own one-click VEO 3 prompt generator. And as you see, in just one click, my VEO 3 optimized cinematic text prompt is ready. Let's just copy this. And I want to try this with VEO 3. Just click on this video button. I will paste my detailed text prompt here and submit this. And after a while, our first Google's VEO 3 video is ready. Let's check this out.
Google VEO 3 just dropped, and yes, I'll show you how to use it completely free.
I think this is amazing, and you could download this AI generated video using download button here.
AI sound is finally here in VEO 3. Let's have a quick look to my one-click cinematic generations.
Time to upgrade the Avengers. Let's try some AI recruits.
Now!
This is cutting edge, sharp, like my katana.
I can hit the target. Precisely. Now let's find out how to build your one-click VEO 3 prompt builder.
I want to reveal my secret one-click method to create Google VEO 3 cinematic prompt generator. And to do so, head over to Setting and Help and click on Save with Info. Then click on Add button here and paste my one-click method. Using this template, I ask if any chats start with VEO 3 trigger word, get character name, age, prompt idea, scene and dialogue, and optimize the prompt idea using this template for VEO 3 model. And don't worry, because I will share this template in moments with you. Okay, just submit this. Now I want to try this one-click prompt generator with an Star Wars scene. To do so, I want to add my trigger word VEO 3 here and paste my prompt idea. I want to use the same character, Katie, as a 20-year blogger turned into Jedi warrior, and I ask her to say, let's start this challenge as a dialogue, and she's standing directly ahead Darth Vader. Let's just submit this, and in just one click, our cinematic VEO 3 prompt is ready. Now I want to try it with Google VEO 3. I will paste my prompt here. Let's just submit this. And after a while our video is ready. Let's just preview this.
So, let's start this challenge.
Honestly, it takes me lots of time to craft my one-click VEO3 cinematic prompt builder, and I made an exciting decision to share it here with you. So, if you're interested in or receive this, just comment one-click VEO3 and I will share this exclusively with you. Now let's try VEO3 with Google's new AI video platform, which they name it as Flow. And if you are accepting Google's VEO3 free offer or upgrade your account to the Pro, now you have 1000 AI credits. And to make sure you are using the correct version of Google VEO3, just click on this settings sliders icon here and choose highest quality with experimental audio VEO3. And I want to have one output at the same time, which costs 100 credits. Now I want to test text to video feature first, and I want to paste my detailed text prompt here. It's about a realistic raw image of our young blogger as Batwoman this time. Let's just submit this, and please note that to check the VEO3 models availability each time you are generating these videos, because sometimes this model automatically select best or quality VEO2 model. And after a while our VEO2 video is ready, and you could download the generated video using download button here. You have three options to do so. You could download it as animated GIF or original 720p or upscale it full HD. I want to download the original 720p video. Now I want to test extend feature. I've generated this Jedi scene before. Now I want to extend this. To do so, click on add to the scene icon here. And now we can change this video's duration, or we could change this video's range. And to use extending feature, click on add button here. Actually, there are two options, jump to feature and extend video. I want to try extend feature, and I want to paste my prompt here. I want these two guys start fighting each other. This generation will cost 10 credits. At this time, Google VEO3 is not compatible with the extend feature, so I want to use Google VEO2 quality mode and submit this. And after a while, our extended video is ready. But this time, this extended video does not include sound, because currently extend feature uses the old VEO2 model.
Mission complete.
This is my honest review for Google VEO3 new features, and I hope you like it. And please let me know about your experiences in the comments. And thanks for supporting channel with your comments, likes, and of course subscribing channel. Please share this video link with your friends to join us on one-click tutorials AI adventures.